Hello, welcome, Marlene here. Today we're making this adorable Yeti cookie. Now on to the step-by-step tutorial. And here is my character. I've cut out my template and I'm using that to get my lines onto the surface of the cookie. And I'm just tracing out my template here. So he's got some horns. Like so, the eyes, his smile, the edge of his head there, and now here's the bottom of him, the feet and tummy area, and his arms sitting up on the side here, go up to about here. And there we have our guideline. I'm working in a dark gray and I'm adding my lines to my character here. I'm going to start here for the horns, follow the edge of the cookie and just creating a swirl in here, there. I don't want to have a line, a gray line, separating the blue from the yellow that I've decided to make the horn, so we're just leaving this open. Now for the actual eyes, I'm just doing a black or gray dot, I should say, like so. Let's smooth these out. Now for the smile. There we go. And the feet. Now I've got some teal icing and I'm just filling in the head area here. Now that the blue is all filled, I'm just coming in now with my gold color. It's not metallic, it's just the color, and filling in the horn area here. There. And I think I'm going to just drag that into the blue here. And now I'm going to do this belly and feet area. Here is my cookie. I'm just adding a bit of the same color in airbrush along the edges of my character here, at the top of his head. And then I'm hitting the gray inside here and I'm just outlining the eyes, creating some shading around the eyes. Now along the belly here. A very light dusting, and now on the smile, just on the edge here, and the bottom of the belly, like so. And that's it, just adding a little bit of shading. Now I'm adding a second layer to the feet. As you can see here, I've outlined them and I'm just going to show you quickly. I've grabbed the same gray icing, and here is that middle toe. So I'm outlining that on top of what I did before, coming in and doing that big toe. Now we're going to have to let this dry before we fill it in, or everything's just going to collapse. It's not dry enough. This has to dry at least an hour so that we can come in and add our second layer of icing to that. Now that he's dried a little bit, I can come in and fill in the feet. Don't overfill. Just fill this in. And then we're going to airbrush like we did on the other stuff. Doesn't matter if it's not dry. There we go. Let's shake that out. Now I'm grabbing the airbrush and repeating exactly what we did before with the perimeter. The edge, we're just lightly dusting. There. And now, while it's wet, I'm grabbing my white icing. And adding some pads to the feet here. And so we airbrushed before because we want our white to be nice and crisp. If I airbrush after, I'm going to have some teal on my white, which I don't want. I want to have a nice bright white. And now, same icing. I'm going to add a bit of detail to these eyes, a little reflection. And let's add some eyebrows to our little character here. And now we're going to let this dry, and then we'll be, oh, I just remembered one of the details. He's got teeth here. How could I forget that? It's one of my favorite parts of him. And now I'm going to put him to dry, and then I'll be able to come in and add his fur. Now for the fur I used sprinkles. All I did was kind of add the icing to those areas and then coated that in sprinkles. Here is the top of the head, so I'm just adding a little bit of icing there and just sticking that onto that little patch of icing. And now we're going to fill in the areas. Let's start here, do a bit at a time. Now, right here, I'm just kind of moving the sprinkles off of the teeth so that we can actually see them. There. And now let's fill in this side. And And now this side here. And here is the completed Yeti cookie. I'd love to hear what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.